Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a little bit of Nokia C300 for Star Talk. So the Nokia C300 is a new budget smartphone for Star Talk. It is now available for $59.99 in black. So this is a new budget smartphone, of course. So on there is the phone right there. That's got the teardrop natural communication camera that inclusive does that. Power button and volume keys on the right side of the phone. And you also have the Nokia logo there on the front. So pretty cool there. Um, right side said power button volume keys, and you also have a fingerprint sensor, which is a power button, so that is really cool. And you have a slight camera bump on the back, so they mindful of that. Speaking of the back, this is the back of the phone here. Get the camera system, camera flash, Nokia logo, and your track phone logo there. The back of the phone looks interesting. The color is black. But I don't know if it looks like this in person, but it kind of looks interesting now. So, yeah. Empower your day to day. Stylish and strong, the Nokia C300 is proof that reliability and price are mutually exclusive. The large 6.517-inch HD plus LCD screen is the ideal window configurators as well. While the triple rear 13-megapixel camera and 8-megapixel front camera lets you take stunning photos with beautiful portrait mode and powerful remote imaging. Alright, there is front and right side and back of the Nokia C300 here. Like I said, very decent looking phone here for circa $60. And again, what you pay for here. Specs: it has 28 days of standby time and 11.5 hours of usage time, I guess. It has LTE, of course. There is no 5G on this phone. CDMA, LTE, Wi-Fi 8 into 11, BGN, AC, dual Wi-Fi. Dimensions are there. The screen, like I just mentioned earlier, 6.517-inch HD plus LCD display, 720 by 1600 pixels. Really nice display. I don't know what the refresh rate is. I'm pretty sure it's 60 hertz. But if the display is 60 hertz, I will be surprised about that. You have three cameras in the rear. You have a 13 megapixel autofocus camera, which is the main camera, plus a 2 megapixel depth sensor, plus a 2 megapixel macro lens in the back, and then 8 megapixel front-facing camera, which is fixed focus. Alright, 14 hours of battery and Bluetooth 5.0, Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chipset. It is an octa-core processor, GPS and compatibility is 14 hours of talk time, memory 3 gigabytes of RAM, 2 gigabytes of ROM. You have a micro SD card expansion up to about 12 gigs, so take advantage of that. And the frame rate is 189.5 grams. So what comes in the box is a Nokia C300 smartphone, USB cable, charger, and quick start guide. So put the sender stuff in the box there. Features: enhanced performance. Thanks to the powerful octa-core processor, you'll get enhanced performance for better multitasking. Its intelligent design also frees up memory and letting more of your favorite apps run smoothly at the same time. Build quality, view trust, and safe design as well. The Nokia C300 delivers signature Nokia phone durability promise. A strong inner body combined with a sunroof and foldback makes it comfortable to hold, while the rich 3D texture pattern helps you keep a firm grip on your phone. And its durable build and IP52 protection means Nokia C300 is better protected against the elements. Capture, connect, and share. Thanks to the triple grip 13 megapixel camera and 8 megapixel front camera, powered by Nokia's imaging technologies, ensures great photography capabilities day and night with beautiful portrait mode and powerful night imaging. A battery that goes on and on. Nokia C300 gives you the freedom to keep you going and going for up to 2 days on a single charge. All thanks to our AI-powered battery saving feature, so that is pretty cool. I don't know what the battery size on this, probably like 4,000 million battery. I don't know what the battery size is. It doesn't say nothing about that. Does not say that nothing nowhere. In the specs and everything. That's kind of interesting. I'm pretty sure that the decent battery. I'm pretty sure that the decent. I'm pretty sure that the battery is decent. So, not bad for just about a phone. So you get what you pay for here. So, yeah, you guys have it. The Nokia C300 is now here at StarTalk for $59.99. So if you guys are looking to get a backup phone, budget phone, or whatever the case may be, the phone looks alright. The phone looks alright. It's $60, and you do get what you pay for her. Um, it's not the worst one. It's not the worst one ever, but it's a decent budget phone. So keep that in mind as well. So. Yes, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.